Hi there, it's Casey again. I'm here to show you again on how to, like yesterday, or part one of this, we made the beautiful spaghetti sauce that has been in the crock pot for about 8 hours, just simmering down on low. And then this morning when you wake up, you get this beautiful, beautiful sauce. It's very nice, but it's a little bit runny. But I'm going to figure out a way on how to thicken it up. The best way I know is that if you take your butter and your flour and you mix it all together and you make it like a roux, and you put that in there, and that will help to thicken it up. Because there is butter in there, which is a thickener. There's the flour in it, which is a thickener. Anyway, down to the pasta here. We're using a penny, which I already pre-cooked, and I cooked this in my microwave. On how you do that is you take your raw macaroni, spaghetti, anything you want to use, and you put it in a plastic bowl, whatever, which one you have. I use recyclable things that I can stick in the microwave. So I put about half of the pasta, right? Salt. Then you boil your water. Okay. By doing this, you're making the pasta start to cook, and so it takes less time in your microwave. It takes about maybe 12 minutes to maybe 15 minutes. But it all depends on how you like your pasta. Anyway, down to the pasta. Now we got this sauce. I forgot the cheese, and what I do is I put it in there like that. I take my sauce ladle. I don't know how much sauce you people like. But you see, you stir her up. There you go. You see, I like mine a little bit thicker. But anyway, so you got the hint there, and just a minute. I've got to move things because I'm in a very small kitchen here. Actually, the kitchen is my room. So anyway. But now you have your serving. Excuse me, you didn't see me there. Okay, you have your serving dish here, like a nice round one there, and you put your pasta, of course, in there. And it depends on how much you want to eat. Like this recipe. Possibility you can make up to four dishes. I like some Parmesan cheese and a little bit of paprika on it, and make it really nice. Anyway, now for the taste, which they all do on the chef's show. So what the heck? Definitely not that bad. I could have worked on the sauce a little bit more, but I just wanted to give you the directions. Anyway, excuse me for leaning over. You guys have a great day, and may peace be with you. And please, don't forget about those people who don't have things like what we have. Think of others before you think of yourself. And also, remember this, a smile is the best kind word in the world. Anyway, you guys have a good one, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.